Many companies leverage the power of a simple sticker to improve order accuracy and keep all of the product organized so it all goes where it's supposed to go. StoneTags are designed to be super fast, really simple to print. All we need to do is go into print, pick your tags, pick the paper size. The software will automatically separate your seams and spit out your tags. Elevate your production workflow with the StoneTag label system. If you have LT3 Raptor, you already have the software component. All you need is the professional grade Epson printer, our rolls, the ink, and you have the fastest way to elevate your workflow.